Hi guys, today I'm going to do a little review on this Ka-Bar knife. It's a Ka-Bar folding hunter, model number 3189, as you can see there. It's a straight edge folding pocket knife, and let's have a look at it. It comes in this nice little box here. Ka-Bar Knives Inc. since 1898. We'll take her out of the box. Oh, and there's a few instructions and so forth in there. We don't need to look at those really. And what we have is a very nice looking little knife here. We got right and left thumb studs here. Opens out. We've got a I think it's 420 stainless steel blade. Little sharpness choil down here. Right and left thumb studs, and what, for a better word, was a nail nick. Ka-Bar on there, and because it's a budget knife, China 3189. Now this is, as you can see, it's a backlock knife. Opens and closes quite well, locks in, no up and down movement, no side to side movement, which is pretty darn good. We got steel bolsters, front and back, nice G10 scales. It's a hollow ground blade. As you can see, we have a pocket clip here. It's right and left carry, tip down only. I know a lot of people prefer tip up, but it is what it is. What else do we know about this bad boy? Don't know, let me read my notes here. We have some measurements somewhere. We did have some measurements somewhere. Here we go. Okay, now did I mention it's 420 stainless steel? We've got hex screws on the pivot, and Torx screws on the pocket clip and on the scales there. The total length of this knife is 22.5 centimeters. The handle length is 12.7 centimeters. The blade length is 9.59 centimeters with a cutting edge of 8.8 centimeters. And the weight of the knife is 160 grams, which is 5.6 ounces. Now it's a sharp little knife out of the box. Let me just show you here. We'll see if we can get a bit of hair off. There you go. We have hair. We have shaving. Try a little bit of paper here. Okay, just do a push cut, see what happens. Well, that's pretty darn good if you ask me. Out of the box, I've done nothing to this. As you can see, it's cutting rather nicely. So yeah, that's it. That's my Ka-Bar folding hunter. Bought it off eBay. Arrived in the mail yesterday. Posted a picture up on Facebook and had a lot of interest in it, so I thought I'd make a quick little video and tell you a little bit about it. If you like this video, please like and share, and you know, follow me on YouTube. That would be lovely. I need more subscribers, so If you do that, I'll be very grateful, and I'll be able to make more videos for you. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you later. Bye from the House of Hoot.